This is outfitted with our ITC Sawboss, which is the chainsaw carrier. Quick release, so you can take this pin out, you can take the chainsaw carrier off, you can take our toolbox kit, put the toolbox in its place. But all we need to do is this comes assembled just like this out of the package, and we'll install these bolts. So I'm going to pull all of these up into place, and you kind of give them a little tug and they'll stay and they're locked up in place, and then you'll just spin the nuts off. Careful not to push them down. And then our quick attach plate is going to mount with the hook sides facing down. So it's going to mount right on here. If you had the optional chain box, the chain box is going to bolt onto there first, and then the quick attach plate is going to bolt onto the chain box. But since we don't, so not to let them drop, and I did. So let's use the knife just to prevent that from falling down. So it is a carriage bolt that's in there. So there's that little square head that engages with the backing plate of the chainsaw carrier. Once the nuts are on, they can't fall down anymore. One thing you will want to pay attention to is when you go to tighten this, that little square is fully engaged. Otherwise, it'll impede the chainsaw from sliding in. So that's a quick way to throw that on. Now that this carrier is done, we've got our loader mount over here. Now I did already install this. So this was pre-installed before coming out here, but this loader mount just mounts with this U-bolt. And then our locking plate will drop into it right here. Watch your fingers. Once the plate is there, you take your pin, come in and across, and the pin will snap into place. And then this will not come off, and it gives you a really strong, secure place to carry your chainsaw with a lifetime warranty. So that's really about it for a Sawboss install. Really simple. Throw the loader mount on with the U-bolt. Once that's in place, bolt the quick attach plate to the chainsaw carrier or to the chain box, then the chain box to the chainsaw carrier, depending on what you had ordered. And then drop it into place, put your pin in, and this is now done and ready to be used. Thanks for checking it out. And if you have any questions, you can give us a call, 315-335-5421. Thanks.